Absolutely. Inox GFL Group is what we're learning is set to launch a renewable platform along with the clutch of PE investors, and this platform will give the turnkey solutions not just to group but also to the third-party corporates. Some of the marquee foreign investors are interested in picking up stake. Names are likely AP Moller Capital, I Squared Capital, and Actis are the likely names, and few of the Singapore-based funds are also interested in picking up stakes. Foreign investors will hold 51% stake in this consortium and 49% will be with Jain Family, the promoter group. The platform, this new renewable energy platform, it will produce around about 1.5 gigawatt of wind and solar power for several states. Jains will transfer, the promoter family will transfer certain solar and wind energy assets from Gujarat Fluoro as well as Inox Green. This gamut of things for this platform, wind energy equipments will be supplied by Inox Wind, and this will fetch them additional revenues of around 10,000 to 12,000 crores over a period of 3 to 4 years. Since we understand that Inox Green, which takes operation and maintenance work, they will also get a pie from it. Around about 150 to 200 crore of yearly contracts will come to Inox Green, and ENY is heard to be the advisor to the consortium, to Inox Group, Inox GFL, as well as the PE investors who are interested in this entire consortium. And this platform can be launched in another 3 to 6 months, and we did send query to Inox Group, but that it went unanswered. But then this deal is very interesting since we see that a lot of interest is coming in renewable space, especially when India is also trying to cut down its carbon emission.